folks, this is the New View channel. My name is Martin, and I hope you have a great day. And today we make a dish called tomato egg dumpling soup. This soup is very household soup in my hometown and in China. A lot of places they supply this soup. And the main ingredient we need is three tomato. Those tomatoes you can use 1, 2, 3 or more. It's up to you. And kale and 1 leek and 4 eggs. 3 ingredients you can decide how much you use. And you usually, if you love these more ingredients, you can use it. You can get more to use it. And if you love all eggs, you can add more eggs. It's also up to you. And we also use the wheat flour and unbleached all-purpose wheat flour for this soup. And I hope you guys like it. Okay, we cut the leek. We need 1 small leek. Cut the root off. So wash the leek. Make sure there's no soil. Okay, now we wash the leek. We cut it 2 parts and then we keep that. Now we just cut it, try to cut it small. Be like this. Like this. This is how it looks like. Well, we cut tomato. Just cut this part off. This tomato is very fresh from Old Pan Farm, so I just keep the skin. So if you don't want skin, you can get rid of skin. I'll show before how to get skin off. This is how the tomato look like. We cut the kale. We try to cut it small. See how the kale look like. There's some eggs. This is salt. We add a pinch of salt to it. Not too much. Black pepper. Add a pinch of black pepper to it. Now mix it. Okay, we're done. Turn stove. Half it. When the pot is hot, add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil to it. And rinse it. Add a piece of leek to it. Okay, the oil is ready. We fry the leek first. When the leek releases and fry release a good smell, then we add the tomato into it. You add tomato into it. This is the salt. We add 1 tablespoon salt. And the black pepper, we add probably half teaspoon black pepper. Now we cover it and cook it until tomato becomes soft. So while the tomato is frying, we make dumplings. We use the unbleached all-purpose wheat flour. We get 1 cup of wheat flour. 1 cup of wheat flour. We get a quarter cup of water. Then we slowly add it to it. We'll see how much water we need. We don't make a dough, we'll just make a dumplings. Slowly add. You can use a chopstick or you can use your hand to it and hold it and pot do it. Just a little more. But I use a quarter. Oh, so we use I think this is enough. That looks pretty good. So we just leave it here for later use. Looks pretty good. Okay, we just stir. When the tomato becomes soft, now what we add 6 cups of water to it. Okay, we add 6 cups of water to the pot. 6 cups of water to the pot. We cover it and stir it and until it's boiling. We cover it until it's boiling. Okay, when it's boiling, we add a Q to it. Kill 3, it's 3 kills, 3 kill leaves. I cut it, add to it. When it's boiling, we add the dumplings we make it earlier and add it to it. Slowly, don't add. And mix, don't let it have some big dumplings, just don't, so they can separate. So stir it and cover the lids until it's boiling. When it's boiling, when the soup is boiling, you get out the eggs, mix again, and we slowly to add the eggs to the soup. Slowly. Don't add all once, just dripping, dropping, dripping, slowly dripping. You can get some soup and in the pot to rinse the pot, the bowl. Okay, stop. Don't stir until the egg all flow up. Then you like this, use a spoon like this. So cook it. Right. I have some frozen, fresh one is better. Chop the scallion or cilantro and add it to it. We can try the soup. So good. Now we turn off the stove. So this this tomato, tomato, egg, and dumpling soup is ready. Right now you can put it in the bowl and serve it.